I have MICROMAX Canvas 6 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the calendar. Let's assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys just for 2 seconds, let me show you. And you just capture the screen. So let me show you again. Let's hold down simultaneously power key and volume down. So let's do it for 2 seconds and you just capture the screen. That's it. So now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the save screenshot, let's use upper bar and here let's tap screenshot captured. You may also accomplish that by using the home screen and by finding here and selecting the gallery. So let me find gallery. So you can choose photos right here, it's also the gallery. Let me tap get started, let me tap down to the synchronization in my case. And here you've got albums and you can choose screenshot and you can now share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.